Alright, this is gonna be tricky. Nemo just walks right through it. He just walked through the mud there. Nemo! Oh, he had to go boo-boo. There we go, we made it. It's pretty muddy back here, so don't want to get too muddy. There's some happy minnows in here, I bet. Try not to drop my brand new phone in here, right? I see some jumping spiders on the top of the water there, but it's a reflection of the sun. I don't see any minnows though. Oh, I might have saw one just then. Sometimes the minnows are a little trickier to spot. No, I think I just saw another jumping spider. Depending on how clear the water is usually whether or not you can see the minnows well, because if it's even foggy a little bit, it makes it a lot harder to see them because they blend in so well. Kind of camouflage. They'll hang out around the moss and the leaves so they can be protected from those perch and brim, turtles, anything like that that will eat them. Birds. Oh, are you okay, Nemo? He tried to jump up right under my leg and my knee caught him. The water's high up because there's been so much rain lately. Sounds awesome. Got the electrical lines running through the woods here. You can usually walk over there. Not immediately in front of us, but up on that hill back there above the water. Nemo's jumping in the water. Oh, there's a woodpecker, I heard. Oh, I see it. It's right on that. Right here where my finger's touching. There's a bird on that limb that I'm touching with my finger right there. Well, there was. It might have flown off while I was trying to show you. Oh, no, it's right at the very tip top. Right at the tip top right there. Of that one. Right where I'm touching, there's a bird. Oh, I saw his head moving. Oh, yeah, I saw him move just then. They kind of hop around up there. Sometimes they'll just, oh, yeah, there he goes, there he goes. Oh, man, I don't even think I was in the right spot. No. Oh, right there. There he is, hopping along. Oh my goodness, Nemo. What are you doing? Getting me a drink of Dr. Pepper? Oh no. Oh no, Nemo's gone crazy. Oh my goodness. Are you thinking you're gonna get back in my car? Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? Oh man. And now you give me a shower too. Get in, Nemo. Jump in. Jump in there. Good boy. Get him. Get him, boy. He slipped. Nemo, jump in. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Good boy. Go on. Yeah, get him. Get him. Get him, boy. Good boy. Go on. Look at him. Look at him go. You are funny. Now he's gonna go. No, I don't want to. I said you could. You're gonna be sick, Nemo. We're gonna have to give you a bath when we get home. Too bad I didn't bring it down. He's like a little water pig. Look at you. Nematode. That's why I call you Nematode all the time. Nemo. Get it. Get it, boy. Get in there. Get in there. Get him. Get in there. Get in there, Nemo. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. Jump in there. Yep. Get it. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. Get it. Get in there. Good boy. Man, that is loud. That's awesome. Good boy, Nemo. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh boy.